In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the fixed asset item list in QuickBooks Online. This is an essential tool for recording and managing the details of your fixed assets, allowing you to keep track of important data such as purchase dates, prices, and depreciation. Getting started is simple, and I'll guide you through each step to make this process as smooth as possible. First, ensure you're logged into QuickBooks. Head over to the sign in page and click on Sign In. Once there, choose QuickBooks Online from the options available. You'll need to enter your account credentials. Be sure to type these in carefully and then click Continue. Upon successful login, select your QuickBooks accountant. This is key because it determines the database you're accessing. Next, click on Advanced Accounting. You can find this option in the main menu of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. This section houses various accounting settings and tools that can be very useful. Now, navigate to Fixed Assets. This menu is specifically designed to handle all things related to fixed assets, including their tracking and management. Click on Add an Asset, located at the top right corner of the screen. This is where you'll enter new information about any asset you wish to add to your list. You'll begin by entering the asset name. Consider using a clear and descriptive name that makes it easy to identify the asset later. Following this, type in the purchase price, the amount you originally paid for the asset. This price is critical for calculating depreciation and overall asset value over time. Next, input the purchase date. This is the date you acquired the asset and can often influence how you handle depreciation. Speaking of depreciation, add the depreciation start date. This date represents when you begin reducing the asset's value on your financial statements. Each organization might choose different starting dates, so it's important to follow your internal guidelines. Then, choose the depreciation method that best fits your accounting policy. QuickBooks offers several options, so you'll want to select the one that aligns with how you want to depreciate your asset. Alongside this, specify the useful life of the asset, which is how long you expect it to remain productive. To complete the input, add the salvage value. This is the estimated resale value of the asset at the end of its useful life. Also, include detailed account information such as the asset account and any relevant accumulated depreciation accounts. Don't forget to set up the depreciation expense account, which impacts your financial reporting. Finally, after reviewing all the details for accuracy, click Save. And there you go, you've successfully added a fixed asset to your list. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your fixed assets in QuickBooks Online, helping to streamline your accounting processes and improve financial accuracy. Thank you for watching, and happy accounting.